Press subscribe and click the bell icon, so you will never miss any gardening tips from Urban Farmer. Welcome to your favorite gardening channel, Urban Farmer. Today's topic is, how to grow cooking melon on a terrace. The first step is to get the small plants. The potting mixture contains some coir dust, compost 1, sand 1, and topsoil 1. Do not put the seeds too deep, 4 times a seed's length hole is ideal. When watering, gently do it. Otherwise, the seeds can come out. After 15 days, you can remove the weak or unnecessary plants from the nursery bed. Select a pot with at least 30 cm diameter and 45 cm height, and there should be proper drainage holes. Put a 1-inch layer of rubble, then you can add coir dust, but it's not mandatory. Now fill the soil mixture, which contains 1 compost, 1 sand, and 2 topsoils. You can reduce the root damages when replanting by using a metal spoon. Two plants per pot are ideal. Putting adequate water daily is very important. After replanting, put it in a shaded area to avoid direct sunlight. After 5 days, now you can expose the plants to direct sunlight. We have to create a small plant supporter to support the vine growth. I used the following supporter and it gives a nice look to my terrace too. You can use organic pest control like neem oil every 5 days a time. And every 10 days a time, add some organic manure like cow dung or compost by loosening the soil. Remove the damaged leaves to avoid fungus and pest problems. Yellow aphids are usually attacks, and that can lead to damage fruit and leaves and affect the growth of the vine as well. So use a pesticide like soap water or neem oil after cleaning aphids using a brush. Pollination can be done by using a small brush as in the video. Or else you can remove the female flower and directly pollinate with a male flower. You can add a cover after pollination to avoid pest attacks on the fruit. Fruits are ready to harvest after 2.5 months. Thanks for watching and subscribe for weekly gardening tips.